Executive Summary. In the UK, more than 1 in 5 people are disabled. This government wants to make this country the most accessible place in the world for disabled people to live, work and thrive, addressing and removing the barriers which prevent them from reaching their full potential. We have developed this new Disability Action Plan to complement the National Disability Strategy, which sets out the long-term vision to transform disabled people's lives for the better, other significant UK government reform programmes and specific work to continuously improve equal access to opportunities in line with the United Nations Convention on the Rights of Persons with Disabilities, UNCRPD. It sets out the immediate actions the government will take in the coming year to improve disabled people's everyday lives. It also lays the foundations for longer-term change. Throughout the 12-week consultation, we received over 1,300 responses and spoke with many more people across the UK at consultation events. The final actions in this plan have been shaped by the thoughts, experiences and insights of everyone who responded to our consultation or came to an event. Proposals in the consultation. The Disability Action Plan 2023 to 2024 consultation document described. Work already underway or completed across government over the last 12 months. Planned work in each government department in the next 18 months and beyond. The consultation then asked for views on 12 proposed areas for action, led or coordinated by the Disability Unit, DU, part of the Cabinet Office. DU was set up to work across government to break down the barriers faced by disabled people in the UK. Proposals in the consultation document were grouped into 4 broad categories. Improving disability inclusion in existing government policies, new actions focused on the specific needs of disabled people, improving cross-government collaboration, strengthening the evidence base. Finally, the consultation asked 2 more questions. The first was about people's views on the plan as a whole. The second asked what else the government could do to make a positive difference to the lives of disabled people. Main themes in people's feedback. The following 7 themes ran through many people's responses to the consultation. We have amended our proposals in line with these themes wherever possible. Policies should be informed by disabled people's experiences. Clear, measurable actions are needed with clear accountability. Consideration of disabled people's financial circumstances and the cost of living. Sufficient funding for specific actions. Ensure the inclusion of all disabled people. Improved and accessible communications about government services and resources. Equality of opportunity for disabled and non-disabled people. Areas of action. This chapter sets out 32 actions across 14 different areas. The government will take these forward with disabled people, their organisations, and other government departments and public service providers. The consultation findings have helped us to shape these actions. We have revised or removed some of the proposals in the consultation and added several new proposals. As a result, the government is committed to working with disabled people, their organisations, and other partners in the coming year to 1. Support disabled people who want to be elected to public office. 2. Include disabled people's needs in emergency and resilience planning. 3. Include disabled people's needs in climate-related policies. 4. Improve information and outcomes for families in which someone is disabled. 5. Make playgrounds more accessible. 6. Help businesses understand the needs of and deliver improvements for disabled people. 7. Explore if the UK could host the Special Olympics World Summer Games. 8. Support people who have guide and assistance dogs. 9. Help the government measure how effective its policies and services are for disabled people. 10. Research issues facing disabled people in the future. 11. Make government publications and communications more accessible. 12. Improve understanding of the cost of living for disabled people. 13. Promote better understanding of the UN CRPD across government. 14. Monitor and report progress of the Disability Action Plan. The last action sets out the government's plans to publish progress updates after 6 months and 12 months. These will be published in Parliament as written ministerial statements and on gov.uk. DU will also share the updates with their strategic stakeholder networks. Disability Unit.